Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2024 Volvo S60. This sleek and stylish sedan has been completely redesigned for the new model year, and it's packed with cutting-edge technology, safety features, and a luxurious interior. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior. The 2024 S60 has a bold and confident stance, with a longer wheelbase and wider track than the previous model. The iconic Taurus hammer headlights are now even more striking, and the signature grille has been updated with a more modern look. Interior design. Inside, the S60 is a haven of Scandinavian minimalism. The clean lines and high-quality materials create a sense of calm and sophistication. The new infotainment system is housed in a large, vertically oriented touchscreen, and it's packed with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in navigation system. Performance. The 2024 S60 is available in a variety of powertrains, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, a plug-in hybrid, and the high-performance Polestar variant. All engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive is available. I had the chance to take the T8 recharge plug-in hybrid model for a spin, and I was impressed with its smooth and powerful acceleration. The electric motor provides instant torque, and the gasoline engine kicks in seamlessly for highway cruising.